I'm Saqib. I'm a gas engineer for Burnsley Homes, and the message for this week is how to stay safe, as it's the Gas Safety Week. If your gas appliances are not checked on an annual basis, they can start producing carbon monoxide. This could also lead to gas leaks, fires and explosions in domestic properties. For the health and safety of you and your families, it's important that you get your gas boilers, gas fires and gas pipework serviced on a yearly basis to make sure that your homes are safe. On a yearly basis, the engineers at Burnsley Homes are trained to the latest regulations to make sure we are compliant to all the gas safety regulations in the industry. It is also very important to get all the gas appliances that are not owned by your landlord and are personally owned by yourselves, for example cookers, hobs, ovens. These should all be serviced on an annual basis by a registered gas engineer to make sure they are safe to use. If you do smell gas and you do have a gas leak, the first thing to do is turn the supply of gas off, which can be found on a lever next to the meter. Then opening all windows and doors and taking a note of the contact number that can also be found on the meter for the emergency gas services. Then before actually making the call, leave the property, as it's important that no electrical equipment is used in the property. So when making the phone call to the emergency services, please make it outside. As an engineer for Burnsley Home, one of the main issues that we see are access to gas meters. It's very important to be able to access the meter for yourselves as well as us, as if there's any emergency, that's the only main cut-off point of the gas supply to the property. There's also emergency contact details, so it's important that the meter is readable, so you can get the contact details if there is ever an emergency. It is really important to keep the service appointment with our engineers. We generally send out some correspondence with the dates. If this is inconvenient, we can rearrange it. If, for example, someone's isolating with COVID, it's important that you notify us so then we can rearrange it for a convenient date and time for us to return and complete the service.